I have a neighbor named Bob, and he has a dog named Buddy. Bob and Buddy take about 6 walks a day together, and I always see them on their first walk around 8 a.m. And I shout to Jonathan, "There's Bob and Buddy!" It's become a daily highlight for me. Bob wears an English flat cap, and Buddy howls if I stop them on their walk and chat a little too long. I don't know how old Bob is, but his wife passed away a few years ago and he lives alone. He loves the Steelers, conveying his appreciation for my yard work, when I actually do it, talking sports with Jonathan, and of course, walking his dog, Buddy. There's a comfort I get in this routine. Bob always knows what's going on in the neighborhood and keeps an eye out for us. I especially enjoy complaining to him about how cold Jonathan keeps the air conditioning in the house, to which Bob perfectly responds sympathetically, "Oh, you poor thing, how do you survive?" without a hint of sarcasm. Or he'll pass by the house and say, "Is Jonathan freezing you again?" Last week I realized it had been over 2 weeks since I saw Bob. I don't have his number, so I texted another neighbor to see if he was out of town. She responded and told me the unfortunate news. Buddy, his senior howling hound, had passed away. There was no reason for him to take his 6 daily walks anymore. I imagine Buddy, the dog Bob saved from the pound, truly felt loved. I don't know another dog who gets 6 long walks a day, and 24/7, non-competing love and attention. There was so much beauty in their companionship. It's all made me wonder if we approach our relationships with the same love and consistency as Bob's and Buddy's walks, if that's a simple secret to a long-lasting partnership. In the end, I think all we're really looking for is reliability and to feel we're valued consistently.